Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Greg in New York on the Ranger RCI-2995DX CF. Greg, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune alignment, we set this thing up per your request. You wanted around 2 or 3 watts of carrier, and we did just that. Got the bright LED meter lights here. Nothing dim to worry about like a lot of these are coming out with nowadays. A lot of them are still putting these wheat lamps in, and they're just too dim. Let's start with our power all the way down, Greg. 100 watt slug, 2 watts as I told you and as you requested. Roll it all the way up. 40 watts. I'm gonna show you average power to swing. Hello. Better than 70. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. Right around the 175 mark. Roll it all the way down. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and still getting the full swing. All right, Greg. I sure hope you enjoy it. If you like what you've seen, check us out on the web, www.truckcbsales.com. I'm your friend Truck. Greg, have a good one. Bump, bump.